2017 Toyota Tundra SR5 crew cab 4x4. White paint with upgraded black alloy wheels, good necks and tires, side step running boards, tinted windows, trunk bed rail caps, rear bumper protector, tow hitch trailer package, rhino liner throughout. Retractable rear window. This well-kept black interior, all weather floor mats throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver seat adjustments. Free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio, navigation, backup camera, hands-free Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, just under 192,000 miles. Come by and see us at Cupholders.